Hey everybody, Kaye here from Late Bloomer Homestead channel, and today I'm in Taos, New Mexico with my son, Walker. There he is. Hey buddy. And we are visiting the Earthship Biotecture Visitor Center. And a couple of my fans had wanted me to stop in here, and so here we are. We're gonna go inside, learn what we can inside, and then just take a walk around, so stay with me. Oh wow. Oh my goodness, look at all the things they're growing. Oh, it is so humid in there. Look at that greenhouse, how gorgeous. Your self-guided tour, go this way. Wow.
So if you want to do that one task across the building saying not do this one.
Biotecture does the contractor bills, and then Biotecture Planet Earth does all the non-profit community. Yeah. If you have if you want to open up your, say,
And then so you do those two programs, and then your independent study can be anything you want it to be, and that's
so
number
I'll give you
2.
my
So your independent study could build chicken coop. You could write a report on the building codes and there would be 3 places in Maine where you have no building codes and it's easy to build an Earthship. You could do
And you might notice that we're actually
build a whole house, whatever you want.
Hello, my name is Kendra. I'm here at Earthship Biotecture's Visitor Center. We have about 150 people living about 85 homes on this over 600 acre plot behind us. We're just trying to show people how to live an off-grid lifestyle with 0 bills in a way that doesn't hurt the environment.
So awesome. And you said you had how many total and how many are sold?
We have about 130 plots total on our off-grid subdivision here, but I think we're building 87 and 88 of the homes right now.
Yeah, I saw 3 in process over here or something like that,
Yep,
right?
Yep. And then we have our commercial zone here where our visitor center is and our educational buildings, as well as our crew and student housing.
And so in terms of your educational programs, do people come here like during the day and study and learn how to do this?
Yep, we have an academy program that lasts about 30 days. You come every morning and you go to lecture, and then after lunch you go and you actually work hands-on on a build site and learn everything there is to know about building your own home.
Wow, where do you get your reclaimed materials?
All over Taos County, we have a lot of people that we work with to get tires, and then we do get a lot of bottles and cans from our community. We have a joke that we are a drinking company with a building problem, but I swear we're not all alcoholics. We just want building materials, so that's where some of them come from.
Yeah, so everybody in town knows about it and they probably save their stuff. And
a lot of people do, and then we do find stuff here and there when we need it, but usually by the time your house is ready to start getting built, you have a pile of building materials waiting for you.
That's awesome. Would you say 90% of the actual walls are made out of tires with cement? Or?
Not 90%, but close to it. Most of it is tires and dirt and concrete, And then the finish is going to be whatever you want it to be based on where you're living. Generally speaking, in wetter climates, you're going to have a lot more gravel in your walls to deal with capillary moisture. But here in Taos, it's so dry, we just use mostly dirt.
I see, I see. And so, are there any restrictions, like in an HOA, where you have to?
We do have HOA rules in the premises that everyone has to agree to live here. You have to be off grid. You can't have a white picket fence. Just little things like that.
Oh, animals?
Yeah, animals are fine on your property. They can't like run around crazy, and all of our plots are circular to allow the wildlife to continue to be here the way they've been for years.
What about chickens?
Yeah, we have a chicken coop on one of our Earthship Airbnbs actually, where you can stay.
Oh, I see. Yes, you do have an Airbnb. I heard about that.
Yeah, we have a bunch of Airbnbs. Actually, we have a whole binder of them in here that we manage ourselves, and there are a bunch of privately managed ones as well.
So that brings in some income for the operation.
And all those buildings are for sale as well. So our Phoenix Earthship, I believe, is going for 1.5 million. But considering the fact that you never have utility bills and you have tilapia in your living room, chickens out back, and 0 utility bills other than internet, I'd say that's a pretty good price.
So people do have internet?
Oh yeah, yep.
Okay.
That's the only utility bill in this building that we use.
Awesome. Awesome. Well, thank you so much.
No problem.
Okay, so you can buy a book like this for $15, and this gives you like the principles of the whole
different models.
system, the models. Okay, great. And we'll look at that more in detail. Thanks. Yeah, get that. Great. So there's a self-guided tour to this place, which you pay $8 a person, and that you can go into the greenhouse and some various other areas that you can't see otherwise, but there's a lot to learn just by walking in and seeing what their displays are in the visitor center. What do you think of this place, Walker?
It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool to see what they're doing out here and what they're building and everything.
Can you believe all these buildings are made with stuffed tires?
Tires and cans and stuff like that, repurposed materials, yeah.
It's awesome.
Definitely great to see.
So after it's done with the toilet, it actually goes out to these big trees on the front yard landscaping. So we get a bunch of shade all year round, I mean in the summer, and it's just growing in such
Facets of it,
our system's hallways.
and building it modularly obviously is going to be easier just to keep going this way rather than that way. So it's like straight up like this, you know. Like I'm out there like reinforcing a lot of problems that happened 30 years ago and that have time just eroding away. So I got to go in and like I've been digging out a driveway for. Feels like. Yeah, there's a lot of we did some split levels out here. It's all experience, you know, and like the efficiency is mostly what people are going towards nowadays, and so the efficiency isn't as sure. Well, they've changed hands too many times, and most of them don't set naked very well.
But there is a lot of studies that show that
We have 150 chickens.
it's just the self-guided tour, you do the greenhouse, watch the video, slideshow, and use the restroom.
Most of the
You're also
time,
free
already
to go across the parking lot and
sold
walk
the
around that
land.
building. Regardless of whether you do self-guided tours, it's still allowed. It's just a big trail that goes around that building. You can't go in any of the buildings,
Mostly
unfortunately. And then just please mind the trespassing signs for both.
Well, it's really warm and humid in there, as you can imagine. And I'm just going to give you a look at that greenhouse from the outside. See, it gets so hot in there that you even have to put shades, obviously. There's a lot to learn here about, you know, power and sewage and all of that sort of thing. To have this sophisticated of a project with no utilities other than internet, she said. Everybody's got to have internet. What a gorgeous day. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Here's a good example of what the inside, so the tire's filled with, well, she said here it's just dirt. Depending on your moisture content, I guess in your particular area. And look at all these bottles, wow. What a great way to reclaim, reuse used bottles. So I've walked around to the back side of that building we were just in, and you see it's just a big mound of dirt. Oh, how pretty. See how cracked it is, though. It must take a lot of upkeep, you know, the stucco in this kind of environment. Wow. Out in the middle of nowhere. So to get to this place from Taos, you have to go across the Rio Grande Bridge, which is a huge tourist attraction. It is so steep and dark and deep. Just going over the bridge, I got a tummy flutter. So Walker may walk out on the bridge and take a picture. I don't know if I'll be doing that, but anyway, check out the front of this place. See, you always have to have that angled side facing the sun. That's where you grow all your food. Oh, I see, we just go to here. And they do have solar panels, so they're not just using sun coming in the windows. All right, what's next? Have we seen all that we can see?
I believe we can, yes. I believe we have.
Okay. You can see more of the lots in the background. They just sort of blend into the hillsides. But look at that stunning view. Wow. I hope you enjoyed this look at the Earthship Biotecture complex. And of course you can go to their website for more information, learn about sustainability and off-grid living. As far as my channel goes, I'm going home tomorrow and I'll be right back tilling and planting and catching you up with the videos of my onions and all that's going on the Late Bloomer Homestead. So I hope you'll stay tuned to my channel, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, scroll down and click all so you won't miss anything on my homestead in Tennessee. Take care and I'll see you in the next video.